Hi, welcome to this unboxing video of Casio, and also this would be my first video with the new setup here, so hopefully you'll be getting a little bit of better quality from now on in terms of video and audio. But back to the watch, what is happening here? So this is a box of Casio number, or rather model AEQ 110W 1AVEF, not a new model. But at the moment is quite affordable actually, so I think it's worth it. Let's see what comes with the watch. So here in this compartment we've got the papers. So what do we have here? So this is register online and win. Okay, and here we have a pretty thick booklet, Casio model number, user guide, plenty of languages probably. Yeah, so this tells you how your Casio works. Here in the middle we have a warranty card, and yeah, pretty much stuff that nobody bothers to read, but we are interested in the watch itself. Let's open the other door of this tiny box, and here it is. So this is the watch. Let me take this thing out, and yeah, tag. And what do we have here? And this, let me put those things away. I'll move the box out of the picture, and let's see the watch itself. So here it is. This is the Casio World Time 10-year battery. Let's zoom in a little bit. Yep. And it actually looks pretty nice. It has even a little bit of a sunburst dial effect. So what are the features of this Casio and why I'm showing it to you today? So as I probably already mentioned, this is a gift to a friend of mine. And did I mention that? I don't think so. So this is a gift for a friend of mine, and it's currently one of the most affordable Casios that you can take in the style of the G-Shock. So it's not a G-Shock, but it does feature a couple of features. So one is obviously the world time. It has a very lasting battery, 10-year battery, and a few very interesting complications. So one is telememo. I'll come back to this. We've got also a world time. We've got 3 alarms and a countdown timer. And what we also have is stainless steel back, water resistant to a 10 bar. This is 100 meters, and Japan movement, cased in China. Yep. So for the price, I'm not surprised that it's cased in China, but so the price is around 24 British pounds at the moment, which is probably 28 to 30 American dollars. It's pretty good, and I'm actually surprised by the dial quality. So this sunburst effect really does attracts attention. The crystal looks pretty good. We've got the 2 LCD displays. So one is the currently showing the day of the week. The other one is showing something else. Okay, so here is the telephone feature. I'm probably, before I gift it, I'm probably going to do a full review of this watch, or at least a little bit more in depth. This is not a new model, it's been around for quite some time, but as I said, it's one of the most affordable Casios, and I don't think it's bad. It's actually looking pretty good for the money. Looks like a tough watch, something that you don't need to take care of, and you can wear pretty much everywhere you like. So this is the strap. Nothing really special, but good enough. And yeah, one thing probably I can see from probably first glance are the indices that you can see. These are very plasticky indices, but hey, we cannot complain too much about a watch that costs £24. So yeah. So I just wanted to tell you a few words about this telememo feature. So the point of this telememo feature is to save you up to 30 telephone numbers into the memory of the watch. And combined with the world timer function means that you can travel everywhere in the world, have a correct time, and also if you lose your phone or whatever happens to the phone or your memory, you will always have those numbers stored in this watch, numbers to somebody who can help you in any situation, for example. And together with a 10-year battery, you can pretty much rest assured that this watch is not going to lose power quickly. So let me know what you think, and probably in my next video I'm going to do a review of this model and give you a little bit more details. I may be able to try to adjust some of the features. I'm not so sure, but yeah, I'll play a little bit with it and let you know. Thanks, and see you soon.